the Senate should investigate about the informal agreement between the two presidents. So, what does the palace say about it?
Sabihin mo, hindi na siya sold gen. Tumahimik na lang siya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Alam nyo, itong mga kandidato nung mga nakaraan, they have been overwhelmingly repudiated by the electorate. And the issues they have raised against the president and this administration have been factored because yan ang naging linya nila, paulit-ulit na linya nila against the president and the administration. Tinanggihan na nga sila, ayaw pa rin silang maniwala na hindi sila pinaniniwalaan ng taong bayan.
So, sir, itong particular na issue na ito, confident po kayo na hindi nito maaapektuhan ang popularity ng presidente in the coming months? And
Definitely. At saka alam nyo, sinasabi nga ni Presidente, it doesn't matter to me kay popular ako, hindi. Basta, ang gagawin ko, what I will do is I will perform my duty in the Constitution as directed to me, which is Section 2 or Section 4, Article 2, saying that his prime duty, being the head of the government, is to serve and to protect the people. Di ba? Paulit-ulit niya sinasabi.